स्पाइस धमाल चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। आई एम योर होस्ट नितिन और ये चैनल है जहाँ पे हम रेसिपीज बनाते हैं बहुत ही बढ़िया और जो सिंपल होती है कुक करने के लिए। सो टुडे आई हैव गॉट अ वेरी स्पेशल रेसिपी, बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट एंड टेल यू व्हाट रेसिपी इट इज, I must thank you for the phenomenal response I have got from you for all the recipes which are, so whether it is continental recipes or Indian recipes. So today's recipe going to be an Indian recipe, but make sure you press the thumb icon if you like the video and press the subscribe button to grow this foodie community. So we are going to make chicken chatpata, and normally people do this with boneless, but we are going to do this with chicken leg piece. So it's a chicken leg piece in a nice chatpata marination, very fast and quick recipe. So let us see what all we need for this recipe. So for our chicken chatpata, let's see what we need for marination. But first thing which we need is the 500 gram of chicken leg. Now we have given it gashes like we do for tandoori on both the sides. So these are 3 chicken legs. And for marination, we are going to start with 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil, or if you have, you can use mustard oil as well. We are adding 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of degi mirch and half a teaspoon of turmeric. So this goes in oil first and we just mix it quickly. So this is Kashmiri red chili, so it gives a nice bright color to your chicken. So once you mix that, we are adding 1 tablespoon of garam masala, a half a teaspoon of chaat masala and half a teaspoon of pink salt or a rock salt. So this what makes our recipe chatpata or a tangy. So we are adding all these spices. To this we will add around 2 tablespoons of coriander powder or dhania powder. There is a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And this is another special ingredient, regular ingredient but cut special. So this is your around 20 curry leaves which I have finely chopped. This is some chopped coriander and finely chopped green chilies. So you add all this, which will give nice taste to your chicken. We'll add salt as per taste. Remember, you have already added pink salt also, so this salt should be not too much. Juice of half a lemon to give it a nice acidity and tangy taste, and some freshly ground black pepper. So this would be around teaspoon or so. That's it. Now give a good mix to this marination. Now it's time to add our chicken leg pieces in this marination and smear them well with the marination. Don't worry if the marination is little dry. So chicken will also ooze out moisture and then it will be a nice coating marination for our chicken. So give chicken pieces a good massage in the marination. Wow, that looks delicious. So बहुत ही बढ़िया दिख रहा है ये चिकन और अच्छे से स्पाइसेस मैरिनेट हो गए हैं। अभी हमको इसको अराउंड 30 to 45 मिनट्स रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखना है और अच्छे से मैरिनेट होने देना है। उसके बाद हम सिंपली इसको एक पैन में कुक करेंगे और बढ़िया हमारा चिकन चटपटा लेग पीस फ्राई बन जाएगा। So our chicken legs are well marinated for 30 to 40 minutes. It's time to fry them in a frying pan and taste the delicious chatpata chicken legs. So I have got a non-stick pan on a moderate heat, adding a little bit of oil to it. Now we will add our chicken one by one. cooking on both sides, this will take around, since it's a with bone chicken, it will take around 12 to 15 minutes, and you need to cover and cook also in between. So first we will give it a nice color on both sides on a medium heat, and then on a low heat we will cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Let us turn them around. Wow, that looks delicious. So now, since this is a chicken leg and it's a big cut to cook, we are going to do one trick which will help us cook it nicely. So in the same bowl in which the chicken was marinated, I have added a little bit of water, and we will be adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of water to the pan. And we will cover and cook this on slow flame for around 8 to 10 minutes. So let us cover and cook it. So our delicious chicken leg made in Chatpata masala is ready. You can see it is fried nicely and cooked also. So let us rest it for 5 minutes and taste it. How is it? But looks delicious to me. So this is super delicious looking chicken chatpata is ready. It's a very quick recipe and all ingredients are there in your house, and it can whip up a very tasty chicken. So I'm going to test and show you how is it. But look at it, nice masala on top. So let us cut some piece, nicely soft cooked chicken. You can see. Wow, tangy, spicy, delicious. A quick recipe, but an alternative to most of your starter. By the time you order from outside, this recipe will be ready at home. Delicious. So if you like the recipe, make sure you press the thumb icon. If you are new, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. So whenever we do delicious recipes, you get an instant notification. And we are trying to do recipes every weekend. So there will be these surprises coming to you every week. So we can grow this foodie community. Till the time we meet again with the delicious recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.